Mention not. This is where we mention the unmentioned.
The name that went on my 10th class record and 12th class record. That's the name that I'm now struggling to get on my Aadhaar card. Yeah, mixture है. Hindu, Isai, Sikh, Muslim. खिचड़ी है, जो भी बोले. It reflects my lineage in this country too. My first name was a compromise between my parents. My mother wanted a Muslim name for both her children, and my father wanted a Christian name for both his children. So they decided to compromise on the Hindu first name. So I am Deepthi Aisha Bernadette, and my brother is Siddharth Salim David. The Muslim for my mother was because some of our ancestors were Muslims. In fact, 4 or 5 generations ago, or maybe 6 generations ago, one of our ancestors belonged to the Bohra community from Bombay. And obviously this was in the days of the British Raj with the Christian missionaries moving through. And वो कुछ 2 Christian missionaries से मिले और उनसे बात की और उनको बड़ा अच्छा लगा जो भी उन्होंने सीखा. तो उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, अब हमको भी क्रिश्चियन बनना है. उनके अब्बा जान ने बिल्कुल साफ मना किया. उनके बड़े भाइयों ने भी साफ मना किया क्योंकि ये सबसे छोटे थे. और उनको सीधे बोल दिया, या तो तुम घर पे रहोगे या तो तुम सीधे शमशान घाट जाओगे. इस लड़के ने भी अपना वो जमाया कि नहीं, मेरे को तो क्रिश्चियन बनना है. तो एक रात को उसकी माँ आई, उसको जगाया, वो सो रहे थे. एंड शी टोल्ड हिम, लिसन, गेट अप, मूव, योर फादर एंड योर ब्रदर्स आर प्लानिंग टू फिनिश यू टुनाइट. दिस इज अबाउट द फैमिलीज ऑनर एंड द कम्युनिटीज ऑनर. दिस इज नॉट अबाउट यू एनी मोर. She took him to the basement, and वहाँ पे ये लोग बहुत थे, traders थे, they had their assets, their money, jewelry and all. उसमें से 1-2 bag fulls उसको दिए और कहा तुम भागो और यहाँ पे अपनी शक्ल अब फिर कभी मत दिखाना. तुम्हारे बाबा और तुम्हारे भाइयों ने तुमको देखा, वो तुम्हारा सर काट देंगे. He took her advice to heart, immediately went to the Christian mission, found the 2 missionaries he'd been talking to, and next day they set out. It was a long journey and they ended up in Uttar Pradesh. That is one branch. Then from my mother's side again is the other branch, a Sikh branch. Her grandmother, her dadi, was the daughter of a Punjabi, of a Sikh gentleman who was the only person in his village to converts to Christianity. And again, honor is a big deal, so that became a big deal for him. He was a widower, and one night, in the middle of the night, he picked up his 10-year-old daughter and fled from his village because the entire village was coming after him with, pitchforks and fire. They were not going to let him convert. And he ended up in UP. Then there was, this one I'm not 100% sure of, but there was also a Peer in the eastern UP area around Gorakhpur and all, and his name was Peer Kalandar. And it is believed by my family that about 6 or 7 generations ago or so, he was also somehow related to our family. The reason is the name Kalandar. That was my mom's family's last name. It remained Kalandar for the longest time, and then just as the British were about to leave, they decided to change the pronunciation. Since they couldn't say Kalandar, they said calendar. And yes, today if you go to Bareilly and ask about the Calendar family, people will know exactly who you're talking about. In fact, my mother's uncle was in the Indian Army, and he was the only calendar. It was on record. He was literally the only calendar in the entire Indian Army. And that's pretty much the story of where my name came from.
तो साथियों, ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है. ये कथा मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण अभी के समय में यह बेहद जरूरी है जानना कि जिस पवित्रता की लड़ाई लड़ी जा रही है वो कितनी निरर्थक लड़ाई है, वो हमारी जिंदगी को कैसे तबाह कर रही है। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया दीप्ति आपका।